Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Dish is currently hiring, guys. I'll put the link in the description for this in this video so you can come and take a look at this particular role. This is a remote role, it's account executive role. Boost Mobile, Charlotte, North Carolina. They have other opportunities here, but I wanted to share this opportunity with you. At Boost Mobile, we deliver value without compromise, continue redefining what's possible for a mobile career for more than 9 million customers. So, guys, the job duties for this role is they're looking for an account executive that will manage performance across the territory of Boost Mobile stores. You will work and consult with retail store owners on their business and ensure compliance at all store types throughout the assigned territory. You will manage projects and teams and provide coaching and sales and training to the frontline sales teams. Guys, you can come through here and take a look at all of the responsibilities, what they're looking for, making daily calls to the stores to help drive performance, and all the things are here. The skills, the experience, the requirements, that what they're looking for: must have a valid driver's license, 3 years of active driving history, 4 years of sales and account management experience. This role is paying for the compensation is anywhere between 5,000 which is 54,000, $650 to $78,100 with compensation and benefits. Potential total compensation commission plus base is 70,000 to 80,000. The range above includes commissions potential of 20%, $20,000 at 100% of hitting performance goals. So you can come through here and take a look at all of that, guys. I will leave that here. So just wanted to share with you really quick that Dish is hiring, guys. So super congrats to anyone who gets this role. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. And if you know anyone that's currently looking for a job lead, guys, please share this job lead with them or any of the previous job roles that I have shared with you guys. You are the best. I appreciate you lots. Love you lots. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.